Hi, my dear students. Welcome you all. This is our English class. Already in Unit 1, we learned one prose and one poem. Today, we are going to see one supplementary reader. That chapter is Lost in Space. In this chapter also, we are going to learn about space. Shall we start, children? Okay, we'll start now. Okay, children. In this session, I am going to take Lost in Space. The story is about two boys lost in space. Unfortunately, the two boys lost in space. Name of the boys was Amudan and Nilavan. Okay, children. Now let us move into the story. Listen carefully. Amudan and Nilavan visited the space museum. They saw a model of the space shuttle. Then Eleven found the latch and opened the shuttle. They entered the shuttle and the door locked. Okay. Now listen carefully. Where they visited? They visited the space museum. Who's Amudan and Eleven? Who's Amudan and Eleven? Amudan and Eleven, they visited the space museum. They saw a model of the space shuttle. Then Nilavan found a latch and opened the shuttle. They entered the shuttle and the door is locked. Now they were trapped inside. They walked into the tank. No, don't touch Amudan. Amudan said, so many switches. What does this big green switch do? But Amudan had pressed the switch and the shuttle burst into outer space. What have you done, Amudan? Nilavan said. Sorry, I thought the button would open the door. It looked like I hit the wrong button. Sorry, Nilavan. The shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. Amudan, an asteroid is coming towards us. Turn the shuttle. How will I turn the shuttle? Let me try pulling this lever. Let me try pulling this lever. The shuttle crash landed on a new planet. Are you all right, Amudan? Yes, I am fine. Quick, we must wear a space suit. Then they ran for a suit. Nilavan saw green lights coming towards the shuttle. Look at these lights. It's coming towards us. Yes, they are all around us and that shuttle is very big. Let us wear our suits. From the shuttle itself, the aliens came out. Aliens from the big shuttle scattered the window and took them out. How is this possible? Do you speak our language? Please, don't be afraid. There is a problem with your shuttle. We can fix it. We can read your mind and use it to speak your language. So the aliens gave them a special room so that they can remove their suits and rest. Then aliens said, please rest here and eat these capsules. They are the same as your food. Then two of them took the rest. The aliens came and waked them. Hey, wake up! Your ship is ready. Put on your suits. It's time to go home. Amudan and Nilavan wore their suits and then they get ready for go to the home. Then Amudan and Nilavan said, "Thank you for your help. Are you coming to earth with us?" Then alien said, "When the time comes, we will see you." So the story is about Amudan and Nilavan. They went to the space museum. They were trapped into the space shuttle. So two aliens came and helped them. And then they finally reached the home. This is the story of the Lost in Space. Do you like story, children? I hope you liked. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.